Monday and time for us to talk technology. That means that our tech expert, Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us here on Power Talk Radio. Luis, welcome back.
Thank you, Mark. How are you?
Doing very well, and we've got a great topic to get things going this week, and that is a story that comes from ZDNet. It has to do with a website flaw since patch which enables researchers to remotely track a car's location. They could unlock your doors, honk the horn, and start the engine and steal it, right?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, this is a really interesting story, and it's about researchers that back in June discovered that Kia, the vehicle manufacturer, their website that allows car owners to log in and do various things to their cars that are connected via technology to be centrally controlled, that website had vulnerabilities which allow these researchers to essentially log in and be able to track cars, do things to cars as long as they could identify the VIN number, which wasn't all that difficult using the website, doing things like you said, being able to unlock the doors, honk the horn, even start the car if they wanted to, or keep it from starting. And in certain models, they were even able to activate the camera in the car remotely. So it's really scary. The researchers, of course, informed Kia because they were, think of them as white hat hackers, not black hat hackers. And Kia was able to patch this flaw or this vulnerability. But this just goes to show that more and more of our cars in the modern era are connected for a lot of good reasons to allow us to do things with our cars. But there's a downside to all of this.
Apparently, one of the cars that they were able to hack into was the 2022 Kia EV6 with the custom app called the Kia Tool. Was it all Kias or just this particular model?
No, it was any Kia that was connected or had connectivity enabled in its feature set, which pretty much includes every modern car, because all of these cars today, whether it's a Kia, a BMW, Mercedes, Nissan, it doesn't matter. They all have this ability to be centrally controlled because it allows you, the consumer, to have a bunch of features like navigation systems, being able to download apps to the car, those sorts of things, all mean that those cars are connected. And that could be a problem, especially if there's vulnerabilities in the software.
Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us today online. It's alvareztg.com. At AlvarezTG is the X handle, and Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-TEAM. That's 866-784-8326.